Store or not to store? That is the question. Okay, yeah, I know I sounded really super dramatic with that. But the real issue is when you have your rhinestones, drills, diamonds, whatever you call them, for diamond painting, what do you put them in? Um, there's a lot of inexpensive all the way to expensive ways that you can handle this problem, or not really a problem, situation. Um, what I choose to do is a storage system like this. Um, it is kind of middle of the road. This has 30 compartments in it, and it comes with the labels with the color codes. And what I love about this especially is, if you notice, it has the ridges and it has the airtight closure. So if I drop them, I haven't spilled any. Um, Now, my brother and sister-in-law, who I got involved in the diamond painting hobby process, they use a different type of storage. They use the little canisters. I have a picture to show you that I'll put up in this video. Um, but you can use any small containers that you may have. If you have a leftover um, prescription bottles that you're no longer using, what do you do with them? I usually toss them out. If you hold on to them, you can either take off the prescription label and make your own, um, or get some stickers to cover it up and then write in the number or the code to what is going to be on the inside. You can use little Tupperware containers. There are so many different ways that you can store your drills after or while you're working on your diamond painting. Um, I hope this has been helpful. I am going to start a series called Jessica's Diamond Painting Books. And this is number one. See you for number two.